Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss. Apple's iPhone 14 Max may be in short supply at launch, here's why. Apple's iPhone 14 Max could be in short supply when it launches in the fall, according to a tweet from display analyst Ross Young. This means that Apple fans will have a difficult time obtaining one during the first few days of its release. This year, Cupertino is anticipated to release 4 new iPhone 14 models, including the iPhone 14 Max. According to a rumor, the iPhone 14 Max, which will replace the iPhone 13 mini, is roughly the same size as the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max, aspect ratio margins excluded. Young asserts that display panel shipments for the new models are significantly behind schedule. It appears that the iPhone 14 Max will have a unique display component. It will be the same size as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but its display will lack Apple's promotion technology. 9to5Mac noted that Young's claim is supported by much more recent supply chain information, putting it on par with the iPhone 13 Pro Max and making it likely the same size as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Consumers desire a larger screened iPhone, but not everyone can afford the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If Apple launches the iPhone 14 Max, with a starting price of $899, it will be $300 less expensive than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which reportedly starts at $1,199. This $300 price difference between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Max could increase demand among mainstream smartphone users for the more affordable, 6.7-inch iPhone. According to multiple leaks, rising component costs and Apple's new strategy to differentiate between Pro and non-Pro models will drive up the price of new iPhones this year. Expect a price increase of at least $100 for the iPhone 14 series. According to Wedbush Securities analyst group head Dan Ives, this is the case. Across the entire supply chain, prices have increased, and Cupertino must pass these costs on to the consumer with this release, Ives told The Sun. Apple will release 2 standard iPhones, the iPhone 14 and the brand new iPhone 14 Max, in addition to 2 Pro models. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will feature a notch, whereas the Pro models will have a pill-shaped Face ID cutout. To further differentiate Pro models from non-Pro models, the Pros will include a new A16 chip. The A15, the same chip that powers the iPhone 13, will power the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, standard iPhone 14 models will share far fewer Pro features than previous generations, meaning they will lack the new 48 megapixels wide-angle camera found on iPhone 14 Pro models. The iPhone 14 series could be announced on September 13, though nothing is confirmed at this time. Apple typically releases new iPhones in September, coinciding with the start of the holiday shopping season in the United States. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.